remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have some okra here, and I have it full. I'm going to cut it soon. I'm going to show you how. I also have some smoked paprika. It's about a little bit under a tablespoon. I might need a little bit more. I have about 3 or so teeth of garlic, but you can have actually the dry garlic, the powdered garlic if you wanted to. And this is optional. I got some thyme. Paring knife. You're going to cut it in the middle. You don't want to lose the seeds. They are very nutritious, carry antioxidant. Okra itself is very nutritious. One thing I wanted to warn you is that okra is going to feel a little bit sticky. Because okra is a fruit, by the way. This is a fruit, no different than tomatoes. But you cook it like if it was a vegetable. And that little stickiness, that's normal. It doesn't mean that's going bad or anything like that. In fact, you want it like this when you are going to cook it. You don't want it dry and old. And as you know, I'm going to be roasting these babies. So what I did here is I put a little bit of garlic, which I minced, couple teeth. I did this, You could have used the dry one. And then I added the smoked paprika. Pretty much that's what I did. Let me find a little bit more. So I just grabbed this and I just did this. What the oven is preheating at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a parchment paper, and I have this oven pan that I can use in the oven. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of thyme, just a tiny bit, just to pepper it up. Adding some aromatics to the thing. You don't go crazy, just put a little bit. Mix it around a little bit. I'm trying to put a little distance so I can roast this baby. Keeping a little distance, if possible, among the okras. So once again, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so this okra can roast. And I'm going to put it here for about maybe 15, worst case 20 minutes. It's been 17 minutes, so I'm going to get it out. Yeah, very nice.